Tsukishi and Tomi is one of loving retired couple who has lived in southeastern Japan with their youngest daughter. But one day, they have decided to go to Tokyo to see their other children. Their elder son Koichi was a doctor and elder daughter Shige has worked in a hairdressing salon. They were too busy to come village to see their old parents. And also, their middle son has missed an assumed death from the Pacific War. But his widow wife Noriko has also worked in an office in Tokyo. These parents wanted to see her also. They had big hopes to spend such an amazing time with their children and grandchildren. But unfortunately, both Koichi and Shige were too busy just like before, and therefore they couldn't find any single hour to spend with their parents. But daughter-in-law Noriko has found time to bring them on sightseeing tour of metropolitan Tokyo. After few days, both Koichi and Shige have sent their parents into a hot spring spa at Atami. It was too luxury. But when night begins, everything has changed. The nightlife of the hotel didn't allow them to sleep well. Then they have decided to return back Shige's home. Once they're back, they couldn't imagine what happened. Because Shige said that she sent them to the spa not because for their happy, but because she wanted to have a business meeting in the parents' bedroom. These old parents became helpless at that night and couldn't believe how their children have changed like this. This is the beginning of the movie and you have to watch the entire movie to get to know that what will happen to these poor parents. There are two types of people in this world. Let's bring them into two groups as Group X and Y. Group X are the people who have big life goals to achieve. Then they work continuously to grab their dream life. They don't know when day and night comes and goes because they want to reap the maximum output from the limited time. This is their reason why they don't have time for their parents. They are just like Koichi and Shige because they think money can do everything. That's why they have sent their parents to luxury spa alone. They didn't know what their parents really wanted. Even they know that they didn't want to respond that. Now let's talk about Group Y and why they can't make their parents happy. Because they think money can't bring happiness. Even they know that they're wrong, they don't want to dream big. Because they're afraid to take risks and they don't want to leave their comfort zone. This reflects 99% of the people in this planet. Since they're lazy to work hard and therefore they never earn more. Finally, they never can't give a luxury life to their parents because they also supposed to die as they're born. They make their parents so sad and unhappy by being an additional burden to them. So what is your group, X or Y? We don't need another X or Y. Create a new group where you can keep very good balance between life and money. Life is a one-time chance and this moment will never come back again. Keep remember, while you are too busy for your life goals or taking rest at the home, your parents are getting age. It is unstoppable. They may have replaced their life dreams to make your world awesome. You should have big goals. Make a big plan to achieve your goals one by one. And don't forget to include your parents also into your plan. It's okay, send them for a luxury vacation because they deserve that. But don't forget to join with them. That's what they really want. Tokyo Story is a Japanese drama film that has released in 1953. A screenwriter has spent 103 days to write the story, but you only need 2 hours to watch the entire story. The movie could take 100% Superfresh ratings in Rotten Tomato website. The entire movie has such an emotional impact by avoiding melodrama. Before going to watch, I would like to request from you that don't watch the movie without understanding the real concept of the story. Because the film is never a story to just watch visually, since this is the film to learn about the life. And also, pay full attention to keep your parents at home during this COVID-19 period. Just think how will they confront if COVID-19 directly impact us.